Hey everyone! For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Chinese New Year surprise fold. So hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Year of the Rabbit surprise fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to begin by lining up the corners and giving it a nice fold right down here. When you open it up, it's like you're making a birthday card. Next, go ahead and let's line up these corners one more time. Line them up and give them a nice fold right down the middle. Now when you open it up, you have these nice little guidelines in here that show you where to keep the inside of your drawing. Now to start off with this, let's begin by making an envelope. I'm going to begin right here and I'm going to make half of a square shape. So I'm going to begin by going up, over, and then down here. Now I'll do the same thing at the bottom. I'm going to go down, I'm going to come over, and then I'll go up here. Now, right in here, I want to make a circle shape. So I'm going to begin right here, and I'm just going to make a nice circle shape, just like this. This is kind of like going to be the little seal on the envelope. Now right here, I'm going to make a diagonal line that comes down to about the halfway point of the circle. And I'll do the same thing here, make it come down to about the halfway point. Then I'll make a little line that comes over, and then the same thing here, a little line that comes over. Now, on here, I'm going to draw a little line that's going to go down, and then over towards the circle. And I'll do the same thing here. I'm going to come down and then go over towards the circle. That's just for a little bit of detail on the envelope. Now starting here, I'm going to make a little line that's going to come down. And I'll do the same thing over here. A little line that comes down. Then I'll make a line that comes down. We're going to go over and then bring it up to here. That's just for a little bit more detail on our envelope. Now, right now it is the Year of the Rabbit, so I'm going to put the little Year of the Rabbit symbol on here. And we're just going to make it very simple. Let's begin by drawing a little line that comes up here. Then we're going to make a little line that's going to go up, down, and then in. And then let's kind of draw a little curve in here. Right here, we're going to make a shape very similar to like a square. So we go over, down, over, and then up. Right here, we're going to make a little line out. And then right here, we're going to go down, over, and then up. And we'll put a little dot right there. And that's just kind of a basic symbol for the Year of the Rabbit. Now, our next step is to open this up and design the inside. After it's open, you can see we have two halves of our envelope. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with this far line. I'm going to bring it down a little bit, and I'll do the same thing here. I'm just going to bring it down. Then right across here, I'm going to make a little zigzag line, so it kind of looks like the envelope's been torn open. Then let's go ahead and just draw this line down. And we'll make this line come down. Next, we'll do the same thing here. Let's go up with both of these outside lines. We'll make a little zigzag so it looks like it's been kind of torn open. And then let's go ahead and bring these little lines up. Now, inside of here, I want to draw a little cute cartoon bunny since it's the Year of the Rabbit. So to start off with this, let's begin right about here, and we're going to make a big sad face for the head. So I'm going to begin right here. I'm going to make a big kind of curvy sad face that's going to come right to here. And then I'm going to make a little line that's going to come across. Right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come out, and then it's going to curve back. And we'll do one right here, just kind of curve out and bring it back. Then I'll make 2 lines that come down. And then right here, I'm going to make 2 little lines here, and then 2 little lines over here. Next, I'm going to draw a line that comes down on each side here. And I'm going to come in, but not all the way. Same thing, come in, but leave a little bit of space. Then I'll make 2 lines that come down. Now let's make the bunny's ears. I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a line that's going to come out. It's going to curve around and come back down. And then same thing over here. I'm going to go up. I'm going to curve around and come back down. I'll make another shape just like that inside each one for the inside of the ear. Now, let's make the face. I'm going to begin by making a circle for an eye, and then I'll make another circle for an eye. I'll draw a small circle towards the top. Then we'll go ahead and just color in the rest of it. Right in between the eyes, I'm going to make a little oval shape for a nose. Then I'll make a line that's going to come down with a curve, and then one right here, down with a curve. And then we'll do a little smiley face here with a little line across. We'll just color in that top part. On the sides, let's add 2 little lines for some whiskers. Now, I want to make a couple of the New Year's coins coming out of here. So I'm going to make a few circles. Let's make a circle right here. We'll make another one over here. We'll put a circle here. We'll do a circle down here. And then we'll put a circle right here. We'll do an odd number of them. Now inside each of these, I want to make a little diamond shape. So we're going to make a small diamond shape inside each one of these for our New Year's coins. So we're going to put these inside each one. Just like that. And then I like to add a little line coming off each one so it looks like they're really like shooting out of here. You can even put 2 lines on some of them if you'd want. And there you go. There is your little Year of the Rabbit surprise fold. So when we have it all folded up, we have our little New Year's envelope. And then when we open it up, we have our little bunny jumping out with some coins coming out. And there you go. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.